Okay folks, I'm going to make pizza out of this New England muffin company. It's Portuguese Muffins, and it says that they make little pizzas. These are much bigger than an English muffin, so I'm going to show you. So hold on so I can pan you down and you can watch the steps. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm taking this and I am cutting it in half. I'm going to put it underneath the broiler in the oven until it turns brown. Just like that. So I want you to see. That's 1, 2, 3. This was 4 of them right here. So now I'm going to stick this in the oven underneath the broiler for a couple of minutes till they get nice and brown. And then I'll take them out and I'll show you how I prepare it. Okay, took them out of the oven. They were nice and brown. Some got a little browner than others because pumpkin needed to go out. And, you know, when duty calls, and they weren't quite ready, but it's all gonna work. It's all gonna be good. So now we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese on, just like this. Ray doesn't like vegetables. Normally I'd like to put onion and green pepper on mine, but I'm not tonight. I'm just gonna wing it with this. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, and I am going to just cook it until bake it until it gets a little bit melted. Now what I'm opening here is a pizza blend. It's 2 different cheeses. It's cheddar cheese and mozzarella. So what I'll do that. And then I'll just top a little bit off on these ones, just so they'll be all pretty with the same colors. We like cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Cheese and butter. And chocolate. Must not forget chocolate in this household. Okay, just like that. Wipe my hands here for a second. Then we're going to top it off with pepperoni. That is Ray's favorite, is pepperoni. And when you do the English muffins, you can, oops, my oven's ready. You can usually just put 3 slices of pepperoni on. And looks like there's going to be 5 slices on these, and that's all you do, just like this. Just put it right on. So I will bring you back when I take it out of the oven, and I'll show you what they're gonna look like. Okay folks, here you go. Don't they look yummy? They're wicked hot right now. I'm just waiting for Mr. R to come in. He's outside feeding the outside furnace. Again, these are Portuguese muffins made into little pizzas. And that's it right here. And it says that this company is out of Massachusetts. So if you're on Allie, do you know of this company? Please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that bell so YouTube can recognize me and sub me. And we got a lot of action going on here. So have a great day. I can be found on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. You never know what I'm going to have on my videos. God bless. See you tomorrow.